good dressing can completely transform a salad. Here are 6 simple homemade dressings you'll find yourself making again and again. For recipe number 1, we're making a lemon dressing. Into a jar, place 70 milliliters of olive oil, followed by the juice of 2 lemons. Then add in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 clove of crushed garlic, and 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, then place the lid on and give it a good shake until everything is emulsified and comes together. Adjust the seasoning to your personal taste with salt, pepper, and extra honey if you like it sweeter. For recipe number 2, we are making balsamic dressing. Into a jar, place 70 milliliters of olive oil, followed by 30 milliliters of balsamic vinegar. Add in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for sweetness if you like. You can leave it out if you don't want it sweet. Then you can add salt and pepper and give it a good old shake. Once it's emulsified, taste it and adjust the seasoning to your own taste. For recipe number 3, we are making a peanut butter and chili dressing. Into a bowl, place 60 grams of peanut butter. You can use smooth or crunchy, but I'll leave that decision up to you. Then add in 1 teaspoon of sriracha, followed by 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, the juice of half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Whisk all of those ingredients together, and then you can thin it out with some warm water until it reaches the consistency that you would like. And with this one, you can add a few extra chili flakes if you want an extra kick. This one's great to use on Asian salads and slaws, and it's also a fantastic dipping sauce as well. For recipe number 4, we are making a yogurt dressing. So into a mixing bowl, place 100 grams of plain Greek or natural yogurt, followed by the juice of half a lemon. Then pour in 15 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil, and then crush in 1 clove of garlic. Add in a good handful of freshly chopped oregano or herb of your choice, and season to taste with salt and pepper. Give everything a good mix and then thin it out with extra water if needed. For recipe number 5, we're making a green goddess dressing. Into a jug, place 60 grams of yogurt followed by 60 grams of mayonnaise. Then we're going to add in 15 grams of flat leaf parsley, followed by 10 grams of roughly chopped chives, and then I'm adding 10 grams of fennel. You could also use dill, basil or tarragon here. Next, place in the juice of half a lemon, 1 clove of garlic, and 2 anchovy fillets. Or if you want to keep it vegetarian, you could use a teaspoon of capers instead. Add a small pinch of salt and a good grind of black pepper, and then blend everything with an immersion blender until smooth. If you would like it a little more runny, you could add a splash of water to this as well. And for recipe number 6, we are making a shallot vinaigrette. So begin by finely dicing 1 large shallot. Place it into a mixing bowl and then add in 30 milliliters of red wine vinegar or sherry vinegar. Next, place in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 70 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. Add in half a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup to balance the sharpness, and season with a pinch of salt and a grind of black pepper. Give everything a good mix until it's fully emulsified, and then adjust the seasoning to your taste. So there you have it, 6 quick and easy salad dressings to elevate any salad. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.